You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words that look very similar. They have a slightly different spelling and a different pronunciation. So let's go through. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. The top word here, the top spelling, is pronounced as prophecy with a C, all right, in the spelling. Prophecy. Prophecy. Stress on the first syllable. Now, the bottom word, the top word is a noun. The bottom word is the verb, spelled with an S and pronounced as prophesy. So, same pronunciation but with an I at the end. Prophesy. So, the noun is prophecy, the verb to prophesy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.